Make a great choice today with the 2018 Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capability comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas, and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, power lift gate, dual airbags, air conditioning, heated rear seats, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, center armrest. Come take a test drive today.